Good evening, everybody. Welcome back. So, I filmed a plant haul, which you will see, and I'm so excited because I have to get the soil yet. And well, some of the plants I'm not keeping them, but I still have to plant them, and I'm so excited choosing where I want to plant those, which container I want to use, all of that. So this video is just a look at what's happening with my plants right now, and I hope you enjoy because I had a wonderful time buying the plants. I did not expect to get so many, but some were affordable, and it's my plant haul for 2025. So I will not be visiting that garden center again, and I never bought an anthurium before, so this is the first time that I bought a red anthurium, and I was so happy to find it and all the other plants that I hold. So I hope you enjoy. This is a pink dianthus flower, by the way. I did not get this in that haul, but it is in the video. I know it's a little bit messy, you would have to excuse that. Good evening, this is a plant haul. Video was filmed before and I'm doing a voiceover. So I have a pink miniature rose, red rose. I don't remember the name of this flower. It looks like a cherry blossom tree, also called sakura, famous in Japan, but it is not. It starts with a J. If you know the name, let me know. Pink bougainvillea with a hint of red. Light pink bougainvillea. Red and pink bougainvillea. Hopefully it's the dwarf and not the huge tree that climbs over fences. I'm not keeping this for myself. Lantana, pink, yellow, orange hinge. I got hibiscus. Not sure what color that is yet. Gander, also called marigold, in yellow. I believe this is my favorite flower of all the plants that I got. Salmon miniature rose. Coleus with pink and green. White rose, red anthurium. Another rose, yellow rose with white and pink. This has pink and white in it. Close up of Coleus. They look all so pretty. Pink dianthus. I'm not keeping this. I got this for someone else. It's pink and red bougainvillea. Bougainvillea is my favorite, but I don't have any luck with it. It never blooms, in case you're wondering. When I plant it, it never blooms even though I put flowering powder. Hope you enjoyed.